So it's a bleak old day today, pouring rain, and we're off to the dentist. Yes, the dentist, our favourite place. So we haven't been to the dentist for about a year, which is really bad for this one.
I think it's about 18 months, so I'm like literally, I'm going to be in so much trouble.
So Jodie's supposed to have a clean every 3 months because she has pockets in her bottom of her teeth in the gums.
I had periodontal issues when we were going to the dentist regularly. I had a little stitch done, and anyway, basically that had come from not being to the dentist for years prior to that. I think it was about 5 or 6 years or something, even longer than that, from even having a clean. So that caused issues in my gums.
Yep.
And then in order to sort of fix that, I was supposed to go every 3 months, which I managed to do for, I don't know, twice. I did every 3 months. And then, I don't know, just everything got in the way. Using an excuse of money is really bad, like not prioritising health, because it's actually been causing me some issues recently. I've got, a few little problems that I need to get sorted out. So today's clean is going to be less expensive than where we've been before. But the reason I'm not going back to where we've been before was, even though he's got all my records, I felt like I was getting, they call it gringoed. I thought the last time I went there that he sort of tried to overcharge on something, and it just hadn't been made clear as to what was actually getting done. So anyway, we're trying a new dentist that was recommended by a friend, so we'll see how she goes.
Yes, let's see how that happens. But yeah, she's supposed to be really good. She doesn't speak a lot of English, so we don't speak a lot of Spanish, which is really bad. We should speak a lot more than we do. But we'll get by, as we always do. Google Translate becomes your best friend. And we'll get by. So I'm not sure what's going on with the back of my tooth back here. I've got a crown on it, which went over a cracked tooth. So I suspect that my cracked tooth is playing up. And I don't know what she's going to say about that. But it's been really sore lately and a bit sensitive. So let's see what's happening. It's now bucketing down rain.
I have a feeling that both of us are going to be up for further
in a world
work.
First.
So it'll be clean today, nice and inexpensive, clean, 700 pesos.
Yeah, about $35.
And then
that's pretty good.
I dare say we're both coming back because I've got a cracked tooth that may need a crown as well.
Oh, you have my crown. I think I have to have that taken off.
And I may need some, not braces, but like a guard or something.
Plate.
A plate, that's it.
Yeah.
Because my teeth are changing position, and I've got a big gap on one side that
they're moving all the time.
Aesthetically, it's not very pleasing.
So vain. So vain. Yes. Jodie sleeps on her front, laying on her arm like that, so I suspect that some of it might be because of that. Your teeth are moving. I don't know. I'm just making it up. I've got no idea. All right. Well, we'll see you at the dentist. Where is she? Okay, we made it.
Yes, I have closed the gap.
Mind the gap.
Got a little bit of resin on the tooth there to spread it out, so it looks a little.
You can't even see it. It's
looks
amazing.
a little bit dodgy, but anyway.
Oh, I think it actually looks amazing. You
Actually,
can't
it
see
feels a bit dodgy.
Yeah,
Needs a bit of a buff. File off.
Well, we've got nail files at home. I'll get into that. So yeah, pretty good overall. She was a really nice lady, and we got it pretty good clean and a quick clean. That was pretty good.
Yeah, she probably wasn't as thorough as the previous people we used to go to. They used to do like this mouth rinse to like show up plaque, and
that was pretty fun.
Then they do like getting right up under your gum. They'd almost do like a semi-periodontal type of clean.
Yeah,
so,
that was pretty full on. But in some ways, you don't really want to keep going because it's just so full on for an hour, and it's just so much happening that you don't really want to keep going. So maybe this one's better, and then we'll make us go more often. You're supposed to be going every 3 months, so
I know.
Maybe this will make us go a bit more often. But overall good. I've got a preliminary X-ray on a molar here that might have an infection in it because there's a cracked tooth underneath it, under the crown. So
doing the antibiotics just in case.
Got the antibiotics going on, which I'm not thrilled about doing antibiotics, but I don't want it travelling through my jaw. And got to get some bigger X-rays to go and see what's going on under there. And hopefully not much. I'll see what happens.
I've got a crack in a molar, so I'll be getting a little bit of work done on that, as well as she said it was cavity, but it's actually half my tooth is broken off right up the back molar as well. But you've got a cavity as well, so we'll be back next week for
cavities. How do you get cavities? Oh my god, we're clean.
I think it's just called cavities, but it's
I don't know.
It's just
anyway
the breaking down of the teeth.
I'll tell you what,
getting old sucks.
I know. Bloody hell. Anyway, so that's the wrap. It was actually a pretty good experience overall. Not bad.
Yep.
All right, there you go. Dentist in Mexico.